Thank you, Colonel Verma and Mr. Manish. I think first of all, I would like to congratulate the organizers here because this is a very timely conference on a subject like tracking, navigation, GPS systems and all that. We have a lot of conferences on mapping and remote sensing, etc. But the conferences where we sit down together and discuss on a subject like location-based systems are very rare. And I think this is one of the first ones. So congratulate for their timely thinking in this direction. Well, as I come from government and I represent this panel from the government side, I have very few things to say here. The last millennium, what we saw, the most wonderful technology development we saw was the internet. That's what I feel. There must be, all of you must be having some different opinion about it. And this millennium, I consider mobile is one of the most important technological advancement, which has touched almost each and every one of us. It was 90s when government started looking into building centralized system for good governance. 80s rather, 60s, 70s when NIC, I belong to NIC, which is a premier organization in the country to look into the ICT support to the government. And initially, all the activities started with the, say, the desktop systems and all that. And then we have moved into the local area network, and then we established a very large network. NIC has its own government network, NICNet, which is extensively used for various government activities, such as all budget is transmitted through that. You must have been, checking out the results of your children through the NICNet. Doordarshan often talks about the NICNet. So many platforms you must be hearing about the network. And it was soon that NIC started developing the web-based systems. And today, Department of IT has got a lot of mission mode projects, if you have taken a note on the developments. And country has been talking about the IT enablement in almost each and every sector, be it food security, be it the UID, or it may be land records, or any other sector that way, health, education. I think there is not a single sector where the government is not taking a lead. And I feel thereafter, say by 90s or so, we all started feeling that the information somewhere is missing, and probably that is in the form of special data set. We have done quite well into the MIS kind of domain, where data is entered into tabular formats and has supported. But very soon we have understood the value of the spatial data. And I think thereafter GIS and all has gained a lot of importance. But with the technologies such as today, when we are in a new millennium, we are in the new era, we find that it's not GIS, it's not MIS, it's not the location-based systems. It is the entire solution which should help to the citizen at large to provide the information. The kind of wave you have seen in the country, the demand of the information, be it RTI, be it fight against corruption, I think this is all indicating that we need transparent processes. And how transparent can we become? That's one major question. And here, a total solution is what is most important. I think with this small, maybe longer, more than 2 minutes, as Colonel Verma said, the panel discussion on the subject is very relevant, that use of satellite images, the high resolution maps and all that thing. But I would say this is, in entirety, we have to see that how a more transparent system needs to be established in the government, what all the constraints are there, and of course, GPS is one fantastic technology. You have heard the deliberations from the good speakers yesterday, the whole day, and today also. And I think most of us, a combination of it are available. Of course, you are all audience also experts only. So I think with this small background, we are there. Let me say few things on the GIS front. I have been heading the GIS division now for quite some time. We are trying to build a concept of centralized GIS in the country. And we have been quite successful in delivering GIS solution within government domain. Our efforts are still not visible in the public at large because of many reasons. And you all are aware what are the reasons, such as there are certain policy decisions. But of course, within government, we are delivering those solutions. We also take the industry support in working out these solutions. And as regards the data, NIC has got enormous special repository. We are the second organization in the country who own the entire Survey of India data. And we have value-added this data extensively for development of GIS-based solutions. There are more than 5,000 databases on NIC repository in various sectors. Our vision is that we integrate one and all for various requirements, meeting the requirements. Focus so far has not been in DIT or Department of IT, too much onto the public interface, but of late ministry realizes that such systems are very essential and are going to be very shortly coming up from government also. So with these words, I think I once again say thank you and thanks.
Good afternoon to the entire group here. I am Ramesh Kumar, working as Deputy General Manager in Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals. In fact, all the people who are all sitting here should give a big hand to GPS Wire team who brought all the people at one platform today. And yesterday onwards we were discussing. Let us give a big hand to Vermaji and his team. In fact, I speak about as an end user what I have seen when I was working in Hindustan Petroleum. Hindustan Petroleum, which is having a 25% market share in India, is the first oil company which has introduced the navigation and tracking system for their trucks which are delivering public distribution system of kerosene. This kerosene is one of the products which you get from refinery, and this kerosene is used in two ways. One is for industries, other is for public distribution system. Government of India has instructed that all oil companies should have a system which can prevent misuse of this public distribution system of kerosene. And all the oil companies were searching for the system where it can give a foolproof system, misuse of these people, transporters, colliding with other people. Finally, that time, GPS system, the service providers came to Hindustan Petroleum. I don't remember exactly the company name and all. Somewhere in 2005, one company came to Hindustan Petroleum, said that, look, we will provide this system so that you can track the trucks which are leaving from your place to the destination where it has to reach. And they have plotted that entire thing, mapping everything, they have done it. They have installed the equipment in the trucks and all. And we found that it was working fine. But there the manufacturer or the service provider has failed continuously to render his services because he doesn't have any backup service group which can come to the rescue of the end user. I think hardly it has worked for about 6 months or so. Then the system failed because you know pretty well that when we do something to stop, which is not legal in the country, there are a lot of elements who involve in that to stop it and use it for their own. So slowly drivers came to know that this is the system where it is working and tracking their movement and all. They started fiddling with that, started removing the connection from the batteries, taking out the SIM card. Like this, lot of things they have taken. Whenever we are calling the service provider, we found that nobody is coming forward within a reasonable time. As a result, even though the system was provided and all, it got discarded. And after a year, one more service provider came to us saying that, look, we will provide a better service rather than the earlier one. So you please go ahead with our system and all. Again, the company started investing on that. I think around 10 or 12 trucks started using that system and all. Till I was leaving the company, I have seen the system is very effective. But one thing what I have seen in India is that today the GPS system, which is essential, I can say this way, because today the customer awareness has gone up like anything. Every customer demands for what he has paid. So all the majority of the companies who are dealing with the customer satisfaction and to increase their sales and their market share and all, has to devise some system which can give the ultimate customer satisfaction to the company, thereby they can achieve the people and all. Like I was telling you that, we have started that using that system and all, but what I have seen is that the companies which are providing that, one company came a year ago and later that another company came and all. In the process, what is happening, the companies are coming with a cutthroat competition of the price, but the services are not improved. Any system, whatever, or anything which you want to market to the customers, basically all the companies should think of, one is that providing the product and backup data like services and all. Unless and otherwise any company is not equipped with the services, you can't get the customer gain and all. As people are telling that, yesterday I came to know that it was about 2% only. It is an infant stage in the country. I am sure that even today, oil companies, if any provider is there, who can give a satisfactory services even after sales, definitely oil companies will go ahead with this project again. Because today, the quality of adulteration and all different things are taking place. The customer demands the quality and timely product. I am sure that if the service providers or the manufacturers, whoever is assembled here, they can approach the companies to make an attempt to get again into their system, so that the government of India, which is all the oil companies are running, definitely support the system. And I am sure that there will be a bright future for the providers in our country. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, Mr. Ram. I was quite excited yesterday, not yesterday, but maybe 2 days back, when Manish informed me that he has put my name in this panel discussion. The only thing which shocked me immediately is there is